How do you transform a traditional industrial tech site into a world-class digital experience? We sat down with Ross and Tanya from Lynksen. By using Spline, they didn't just redesign a website, they achieved a 524% increase in active users and swept 5 industry awards. This is how they did it.
We were looking at the Elecctro website, and I was playing around with it a little bit, and it's very engaging. How'd you get into all of this?
Elecctro is a vending tech company that builds both hardware and software, started from vending snacks, coffee machines to EV chargers and car washes. Super techy, and they are B2B. They want to stand out on this techy niche. Our goal was to really make this website different, friendly, and show all this information in a bit more playful way.
You said the client was a little bit hesitant with like the 3D model, more immersive, interactive side of things. Could you tell me a little bit more about that?
In the beginning, our client was really scared to go to 3JS, complex modeling. They wanted to keep it simple and budget-wise also. So we decided to try on Spline.
One of the points why they chose Spline was because you don't need to be too technical to add object to make different interaction or maintain after we release project. Easy maintainable technology, user-friendly for everyone.
Actually use Spline and make it live on some website was very enjoyable to go from the scratch. Like we have almost no experience with Spline, just ran some tests to deliver the project. It was possible within one try, and that's quite amazing.
Super impressed by all the work that you guys put into that. Could you tell me a little bit more about your approach?
This idea was originally coming from our clients. They wanted to feature all their services and product at once visually. We decided to go with this scene and assemble it in Spline.
So I'm super proud of the thing that works super smoothly. It's 3D path. I like that you can see the object. I like how it's returned, and for me it's super smooth.
Yeah, super cool. How did you structure your animation system?
It is components based. Make sure that website runs and looks very smoothly in terms of animation. There are a lot of interactivity, some like on scroll experience that the user feels engaged all the time. We also created error page fully in Spline. They can play around, explore what will appear if they click on different of these spots. We can express a little bit more of the creativity, show some interaction.
It's cool to hide a little Easter egg. So if someone found this Easter egg, we would be super happy as a designer.
It's really cool. Was the client able to share any results of the design project?
So active user grow on a 524% and additional 20K view. The cool thing is that this project get 5 awards.
Oh, nice. That's super impressive.
Big shout out for Spline community, because having a place where you have different projects and you can use Remix to see how different people approaches to the different interactions was really helpful for us in educational side.
Spline was easy to work with, even without having much experience. In the end, we are very happy on how it turned out, and the Spline can and probably should be used more often for implementing the entire more complex scene on the website.